Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram app that stopped working or crashed. So to solve this problem guys, you basically have two options. The first option you need to check is if your Instagram app is updated. This step guys is very important. So go to your Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone and check if your Instagram app is updated. And if this didn't solve your problem, go back to your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on apps from over here and then click on manage apps and make sure to search for Instagram, click on it, and what you need to do now is to tap on clear data, and then you need to clear all data and also clear your cache, and keep in mind that your account will be logged out of your Instagram app after doing that, but just re-log in again and I'm pretty sure that your Instagram app will be solved. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can fix Instagram not working issue. If you guys found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and see you in the next video.